Yeah, good day, guys. It's your boy, JJ Money. So today's session is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a scalping sniper entry on Forex. It can also be used on binary or or stock or whatever. So, and you can see some of the trades that I did and I backtested for you guys, and I also took it. So this is one of my private strategy that I'm sharing for free. Now, if you want to learn my strategy, it's not free. My main strategy is not free. You can actually chat me up and join the Telegram channel and chat me up, and yeah, I'll teach you that. But I'm actually teaching you one of the arms of it. The scalping arm. I'm teaching this for free. Okay, there's no catching. It's free. Okay, so now with this, you can make a crazy amount of money. So let me show you some of the trades I took. I think, yeah. So I posted this on the channel. You can see. So snipe 2.5 pips stop loss on gold, and you can see I took it live. So these are the kind of trades you're gonna be taking. Let's see. Yeah, this is some of my sniper. No, this is for flipping, and this is another snipe. So you're gonna be learning this today, and I just want you guys to just take notes, take your time, and this will be one of the most important video you ever watch. So make sure you subscribe on the channel, like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, give me your review. What do you feel about the strategy? And now for this strategy to work, you need two things. You just need um, a trading view or whatever platform that you use, but make sure that I'll be using 1 minute time frame and 10 seconds time frame. So if you don't have 10 seconds, you have to subscribe on the TradingView um, premium. So if you like to get some premium, you can actually chat me up, and there we'll work on that. But if you don't, no issues. But if you have, just do this. I've explained. So now, how we're gonna do this? Let me just go straight to the point. I hope how many minutes this? Alright, I don't want this video to be too long. And so going straight to the point, make sure you have a TradingView account. You need 1 minute and 10 seconds. Those are the two time frame we need. And before you do that, you need to know your trend. So I'm not going to be teaching you the trend aspect here. I use my method, but make sure you use higher time frame. You can use 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. Just know your our advice from daily downwards to just know your daily trend. And now with this method, you can have more than on you only trade New York session, sorry, London and New York session, all right? There's a specific time I trade London time by 8 a.m. to about 13 GMT. That's for London. While for New York from 13 to 19. All right. So now what do we look for on the 1 minute? Since I already know, so I'll be trading this particular week, Monday 29th of July 2024. This particular day for me with my strategy is bullish. It was kind of bullish, bearish kind of day, but I just had to use bullish on all through. Then the following day, which will be Tuesday, is also bullish. Alright, so I'll only be looking for buy trades. And my target for this trades or for this method, it's gonna be 20 pips. Alright, my target will be 2.5 pip. Alright, 2.5 pip. That will be the L cell. Alright, so that will be my L cell. Alright, sorry. So this will be my LCL 2.5 pip and target is 20 pip. All right. Then yeah, that's all. Nothing too serious. Nothing too um. Yeah, I was trying to get this. I hope you can see. Hope you can see this clearly. Maybe I should just increase the size. Yeah. So 20 pip target, stop loss is 2.5 pip. And let me just show you what it means. If you're using the 22.5 pip stop loss, you're gonna read it this way. So you see this, I'm looking at this number, and then yeah. Yeah. So you can use any number, but and make sure you have a raw spread account. All right, so it gives you close to zero spread. I use exness. You can actually sign up on exness with my link, or you can also sign up with ICmarket on my link on the description below. So those are the platform I use, and also the fee, the commission for this is very cheap, so you can actually make great amount of money. So 20 pip will just be 20 p for gold is actually very cool. It just be about 2.888 hour. Okay, so 8 hour. So imagine risking $10 and every 8.3 you win $83. So that's nice, right? So imagine you and in a day you can have up to like at least more than 10 trades. So let's assume you lose about four and you win. Let's assume you lose five and trade out of 10, you win five, which would be how much is that? $400. And 10 divided by 5 is just 50. So you still have about $365 for profits. And that's just you having $100 capital. You have 3x your capital. All right, so let's go straight to the point. I'm sorry if I've spoken too much, but these are just the guidelines for you to understand the strategy. Now, what you want to know is once you know the trend, now this is it, very key, very, very key. Because I don't want to be going back, going forward, so I'm just going to mark out. So there's what we call now this part of my strategy. I use an engulfing POI. All right, so whatever engulfing is, you can search it out and learn that for yourself. But if you want to learn what engulfing means, majorly can you know chat me up. I'm going to teach you that on my main strategy. But what engulfing means, just like another block, right? So this is a bearish, a red candle and a breakout. So that's an engulfing. This is an engulfing, a red candle. Let me show you a red candle, a red candle. Yeah, a red candle, and we have a green candle break it. So that's an engulfing. All right. So when we have this engulfing breakout, now you only mark because I'm looking for buy. Like I said, I start trading from 6. Let's say I start trading from 6 a.m. GMT plus one my time. So I'll be looking for what? I'll be looking for, so I don't want to go back into Asian session. I just want to look at the current market price. So I'm looking for the lowest point engulfing, not every other, just the lowest extreme engulfing of the trend. So I'm looking for buy, right? So price moved down and started going up. So once start going up, I'm going to look for only the last area for engulf. So this area also I was supposed to mark here, like this area is also the last movement. Let's use 5 minutes. That's supposed to be 1 minute. I don't want to change the color because I already have this. Um, so this is the last area for engulfing. So we're looking for only buy. So I'm just gonna mark just all the last area. So this was the last area before this pull. Price moved up and price came down. So this area was the last. Also, this area was also the last for this movement. This area was the last for the movement. So you just mark that. You go back in time. I don't want to go doubts back, So price move high, break structure. So the last area or the last engulfing was this one or this. The last engulfing was this area for this movement, even though it didn't pull out on the line chart, it broke it. So it's also the last area. The last area for the price broke here. So we have this area. So I'll use this one and this one also. You can use this one either ways. Then we have this movement price went high, so you use this area, use this area, use this area. So that's just what you do all through on the 1 minute. You're just marking out the last engulfing on a pullback, or right. So that's what you do, and once you do that, you could just go straight to the 10 seconds. What time is this? 9 minutes. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so let's see my network. All right, so all right, this was actually the main color. All right, so because okay, let me just use this particular day instead of going backward. Let's use this Tuesday. It was the same stuff. I'll actually mark um, all the 1 minute POI. All right, so if you're not understanding, just ask questions. I'm gonna respond to your questions or join the channel. And yeah, all right, so this 10 seconds. So what do you do on the 10 second? All right, so this was 1 minute POI. This big box here is a 1 minute engulfing POI. So price broke it here and price came in. Remember this 10 seconds. So when price get into the 1 minute, so you're going to look for 10 seconds engulfing. All right, and how do I get that? So this was the last area, price broke it. So now I'm not going to take this trade. All right, so what do I do now, guys? I'm teaching you something powerful. I'm going to be teaching you something powerful. Now what do? You look into this. Price came into the zone back. Now there are two ways I enter, and because of all right, I'm back. So when price come into your POI, you just want to look at now this is my secret entry method. So for you to learn this my entry method, just shut me up. I'm not gonna say it here, but you can actually do something. You can actually okay, let me just tell you one of it. So 50% of that area. So you can actually take entry 50% of it. So this is 50% entry. So price close below it and you take it. So for me, one of my secrets is I like taking price closing below. All right, so I'm not gonna say that. All right, because actually these are top secrets, guys. These are top shit. All right, so after 10 pip, you just break even. After 10 pip, you break even. All right, so when 10 pip, this is 10 pip, price came back to break your even. Of course, this is for 4 hour already. So this trade, I took it here because it's below the 50% area. I took it and 2.5 pip stop loss and got my targets of 8 hour, 20 pip, which is 8 hour. Cool. So one break even, one win already. So already maybe you can actually move once you're on break even, you can actually move it to maybe 2 hours so that once you get to like 4 hours, just move it to like 2 hours so that even if you get to break even, you still get 2 hours. All right, so this is another engulfing 1 minute. So price gets your entry. You look for 10 seconds engulfing, and where is it? So there was no, this was it. So now I'm not going to take a trade. There's the method I use is once I want to see this candle close first, it has to be inside. So if you close outside, I'm not going to take the trade. So I just leave that. I move on to this next, and what do I see? You can see this is another engulfing price break this good candle here. You can see that price breaks it, and this actually gave me one of my entry method, which I'm not saying there. And price close below the 50%. Yeah, and this is another trade. This is another winning trade. 8 hour. Great, great, great. And yeah, so this was another engulfing on the same POI. Remember, you're looking out for the extreme, and this was the extreme. Price gave you engulfing, and price came in. Yeah, so this was, excuse me, um, so this would have been, let's say you took the trade here, and yeah, this would be your SL. This would be SL. Yeah, no issues already. You had about 3 wins already. Yeah, 8 hours, which is about 80 now. So remember, this is even just before London session starts by 8. this is Frankfurt. You already catch 8 16R already, one loss, that which would be 15R. And you also got the same trade on the same POI. Price came on the 50% close. You took it 2.5R, stop loss, no, took you on profit. Guys, I'm gonna stop here because the more I continue more examples, the more I end up saying some of top things that I would want to say here. But I just want to show you that what is possible. And with this, I hope you're able to, catch sniper entries. And so make sure you chat me up if you like to learn my sniper way and my sniper way of trading and all of that. So this was 16 hour plus 8, that's about 22 hour. So you can decide to close for the day. Now look at New York, London rather. You got the first entry here, break evens. This was pure entry. So like remember I said something, once you're 1 hour, let's put it on 2 hour so that even when price come back to take you on break even, you're still good. Or you can try to just leave it just a little bit so that you don't get caught, right? For example, let me see. So, what's around there? So if you place 2 hour break even here, you would have not gotten take profit. So you could just decide to leave it on the entry aspect just a little bit. All right, so this is another trade. This was yeah. So this was this stop loss break even trade, so this was what, a break even trade close to TP. Crazy. What was this? uh Break even trades, so crazy break even trades, but already doing 6 hour. Remember on break even 4 hours, so you can decide to just choose 4 or 5 hour and you're still good to go, guys. This was also a break even trade, so no issues, like no issues. So this will be a winning trade. So you had about all of these trades, guys. So just chat me up, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Just chat me up, and I'm going to share you more. Thank you, and have a nice day.